lot of cats, scats, and tracks.
He is moving that fucking Jeep, nigga.
Oh, nigga, SRT Draco ass.
What's good, YouTube?
Pull up in some shit that's fast, don't run, we on your ass. Free my brothers, you can kick whoever told on spaz. Ain't about who get it first, it's about whoever make it last. Where you catch them, leave them there, don't get that boy no pass. Bro told me this nigga tweet, he promised he gon' crash on him. If I really want them dead, I spend my last on them. They hit the lights, ain't tripping, know that bro gon' smash on them. Niggas in the street and lit.
Alright, YouTube, point of view driving a big Tonka. Big Tonka, I'm talking about the biggest one. But I'ma just throw this in the clip. We doing a little move right quick for my little business, Aces Living. If y'all need any moving, local or not, if you come in North Carolina or whatnot, let me know. I get it done for the best price. But alright, YouTube, we at Target. Feel me? This vlog starting off in the middle, and we about to go. I heard about the Goodfellow t-shirts for the men's, the slim or whatever. Alright, YouTube, y'all know I'm a black tee type of guy, but those is V-necks. V-necks is crazy, so we're gonna go with these. It's a 4-pack for like $16. Y'all know, what's it called? Polo tees like 40 a pack, so we're gonna see what these bitches hit them out. Alright, so we got the white tees. It's a little Mazda right there. Look like a fun car the way she looking. Let's see. Exactly. So we got some crowd legs for me. We about to damn, let me. Now I'm putting the gloves on. I'm put the camera up after.
They told me I can't be around no game and fuck it. I go in with my killer.
I don't know where this video gonna go, but we is in this city. This city right here. What the fuck is squealing? This city right here done got me my most viewed video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go get it. 4K views. I think it's on like 3K right now. And it got somebody. My roll look good. If I was lucky, that police right there. It's gonna rock his world. Pause. Hi, YouTube. A lot of cats, scats, and tracks. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, get a light. Hell no, you better go right here. Hell no, you better go right here. I need a light, I ain't give you any. Can't do nothing without no light. Wide body. What's my dude grab it? I hate at the door, so. Another cat. You know what I'm saying? Might go with his ass. Oh my god. You know what I'm saying? Police put up to the spot. Damn, look at that fucking cat. That rat, right? I said cat. It probably was a cat, though. It probably was a cat, yeah. Hey, look, you trying to type shit in the middle, hold the camera? No, no. Bro, really? Son, I'm about to say, damn. What you want me to do, bro? Like this? Oh, this bitch right here, player.
What's a great stop? I ain't never seen that shit.
What's that? The yellow BMW for regular.
We're going back to our city too.
That's probably where they going.
Yeah. You need to get out that track. Fuck this little JDM shit you got going on.
Oh, they chilling. There you go. Go get him.
nigga, SRT. Hey, track on ass, nigga. Track on ass, nigga. Yo, why that 18 wheeler almost pull out in front of that nigga, bro? Catch him. Catch him. Catch him.
Walk 'em down, walk 'em down, walk 'em down, walk 'em down.
I'm just keeping up. What's it?
Trackhawk. Alright, shit, you recorded it. Trackhawk. It's not recording.
Point of view. Got my thumbnail. I had to wait.
That look good.
You don't want to hit it.
What he do?
He hit the hazards. That was crazy.
What did that mean?
Like you got smoke type shit. Like,
Oh, word.
him cutting
Oh, no.
Y'all killing me with this. You killing me, man. This is not about music. I'm trying to have a relationship.
Nah, I like that guy. Hey, I'm...
You got long ass and
Shit.
shit. He is moving that fucking Jeep, nigga. That shit stink too.
I don't even like how he cutting up like that. He cut up, but
His shit just run really fast, so like he know he can make that cut. Like, you know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
but he moving like he ain't in an SUV, big tonker.
I mean,
Cause
shit,
look,
the gaps that he can take.
when he hit that like right turn about to hit that car, that
Yeah.
Jeep was fucking leaning like.
bro,
you feel
that
me?
one-
I thought it was gonna be over. I ain't gonna lie. That's all like chill
He
out.
like playing.
Yeah, he look, but.
Yeah, why he trying to gap you though? God damn, boy. Shit.
His shit pushing like 800. It gotta be. He capping me. That's not 707 moving like that.
Yeah, hell no. Out here too, we just cruising with a little Trackhawk right now. You feel me? I got a little point of view a second ago, but yeah, I'll pick up the camera later.
Hey, put that phone up, bro. Hold it. Left lane. All the way left.
Hazard reported ahead. Hopefully it's some hidden toys.
Get from behind him. It's gonna be a wall to your left.